When you look for quality, what exactly does that mean to you? Is quality the highest standards? Or is quality simply good enough? This country was built with hard work, dirty hands, and sweat stains. Each one telling a story about chasing the American dream through quality craftsmanship. You may have an American flag on your house or your truck, but how about on the products you use? Our coatings are proudly made here in the USA, crafted by hands that know the value of grit, sweat, and determination. From the first pour to the final cure, Epoxy2U is built on these blue-collar values. We've stood tall through rough economies, a pandemic, and cheap products flooding the market. Because tough times don't last. The tough people and tough products do. And a high-quality coating is just as much about where the product is from as who is installing it. Invest in quality and invest in the USA.